Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can download and install Eclipse IDE on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. So before downloading and installing Eclipse IDE, first of all we have to install Java JDK and we have to set up it on Windows 10. So I had already made a video on how you can download and install Java JDK on Windows 10. So the video link will be in the description box, or you will get the video link in the I button. After that, follow this step. Open your favorite browser and search for Eclipse IDE and open the link from eclipse.org. Don't worry about the download link, you will get the download link in the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download Eclipse IDE for Java development. For that, here click on download button. And here you will find the latest version of Eclipse IDE, that is 2021-03. Here simply click on this download button. This is the download page. Here simply click on this download button. So here you can see it is downloading. It is around 102 MB. So let me complete the download process, and after that I will show you how you can set up Eclipse IDE for Java development. Our download has been completed. Now just click on this arrow icon and click on open. So let me minimize the browser. Here we have Eclipse installer. So Eclipse IDE is available for Java development, C, C++ development, PHP development. So we are going to set up Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So for that, we have to select Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So I had already told you that before installing Eclipse IDE for Java developer, you have to install and set up Java JDK on your Windows 10 computer. Here we have the JDK folder location, and here we have the installation folder where Eclipse IDE for Java developer is going to install. So if you want to create a desktop shortcut, or if you want to create a start menu entry, then you can check this box. And after that, simply click on install. Here we have the software license agreement. Simply read this agreement, then click on accept now. So here you can see it is installing, so it will take some time to install, so wait until your installation process completes. Installation process has been completed. Now let us launch Eclipse IDE. For that, simply click on this launch button. So this is our workspace location, so all our project and Java file will be saved in this location. If you want to change this location, you can change by clicking on this browse button. For now, I'm just going to keep it default, and after that simply click on launch. Here we have the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So let me maximize the window. So this is the welcome page. Welcome to Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Here you have IDE configuration setting option, how to create your first Hello World application, create a project, check out project from Git, import existing project, or you can have overview what's new in this Eclipse IDE, tutorials and some samples, and you can also check what's new in this version. So for now, I'm just going to close this welcome screen, and here you have the donation page. So if you want to donate to Eclipse Foundation, you can donate to Eclipse Foundation. For now, we are just going to close this option. Let me give you an overview of Eclipse IDE. So here we have the package explorer, where we can manage all our packages and Java files. Here we have file option, edit option, source option, and other options. And here we have some important toolbar, and here we have the outline. So it will give you an outline of your project. Here we have the problem tab. This will detect problems in your Java code. Here we have Java doc file. So if you want to know about a specific method or specific variables, you can just click there and you can check Java doc. And here we have some declaration. Let me show you how you can create your first Java project using Eclipse IDE. If you have existing Java project, you can import your Java project, but we don't have, so we will create a new Java project. For that, click on file, then new, and here you will find option called Java project. Simply click on Java project. So here we have to name our Java project. Let me name it as test. So this is the default workspace location where our test project is going to be saved, and here we have our existing Java SE and JDK. So just keep everything default, then click on next. This is our project hierarchy. So this is our Java test project, and inside this test project folder we have another source folder. In this source folder all our source code will be saved. So simply click on finish. Here we have to create module info.java file. So if you want to create this module, you can simply create by giving a name, or if you don't want to create a module info.java file, you can simply click on don't create. For now, let me create module info.java file. For that, we have to name our module file. Say for example, test module. Then click on create. Here we have the module info.java file. If the text is not visible or if the text is too small, you can increase the font size. For that, simply click on Windows, then click on Preferences. Here search for font. Here you will find color and font option. Simply click on color and fonts, and here click on basics and search for text font. Double click on it, and here simply select your font size. Say for example 18. Then click on OK. Then click on apply. Then click on apply and close. Here we can see this way we can increase our font size. Now let me show you how you can create your first Hello World Java project using Eclipse IDE. For that, right click on this source folder, click on new, then click on package, and here we have to name our package. Say for example demo. Then click on finish. Now we have to create a Java class file. For that, right click on this demo package, then click on new, and here simply click on class. Here we have to name our Java class file. Say for example test class. The name of your Java class must start with a capital letter or uppercase letter. Here simply select your modifier which is public, and from here select a method called public static void string argument. Then click on finish. So this way you can create your first Java project. Let me explain you. This test is our Java project file name, and here we have a source folder. Inside this source folder we have a demo package. So here we have package demo, and inside this demo package we have another file that is test class.java file. This is our class file. Here you can see public class test class. So this is our file name. That's why here we have test class.java. Always remember your Java class name is your file name. And here we have a public static void main function. So inside this function we have to do all our coding. Let us do a simple programming. Let us print hello world using Java. Here simply write system dot out dot print ln and put parentheses. Between this parentheses put double quote, and after completing every statement simply put semicolon. Inside this code we have to write our statement. Say for example hello world. Now to print this statement you have to save this file. For that simply click on file, then click on save. Now to run this, simply click on this run option, and here you will find run, or you can simply use Ctrl plus F11. So here you can see on our console, here we have hello world. Similarly you can print other statement. Say for example, welcome to the thecoderworld YouTube channel. Now again save your file, then click on run, and here we have the run option. Here on our console, here we have our project output, that is hello world. This is our first statement. Then our second statement is welcome to the thecoderworld YouTube channel. So this way you can download and install Eclipse IDE for Java development on Windows 10. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.